Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, it's still not clear for how long the Prime Minister will give up his salary increase. But even with the symbolic gesture, one group believes it's still difficult to justify the increases to other parliamentarians. Andrea Chisholm reports.
After days of a public outcry, the Prime Minister indicated on Monday that he will not accept his new compensation package, which goes up to roughly $28.6 million in the next fiscal year. For now, he will make do with his salary of just over $9 million. Other cabinet ministers and parliamentarians will, however, get the new pay.
And I encourage them to continue to take the salary because I genuinely believe that it will improve governance in the country.
For the National Integrity Action, it is still difficult to justify those increases given the absence of job descriptions as well as an accountability and appraisal system. The Prime Minister said the job descriptions which were done in 2021 will be tabled in Parliament. In the meantime, with groups such as the Jamaica Teachers Association concerned about aspects of the new compensation regime, the Prime Minister made this commitment on Tuesday.
The pay element of it is not yet totally resolved. There are still anomalies that exist. And we have established within the Ministry of Finance and the Transformation Implementation Unit an entire procedure to treat with the anomalies that exist. And those anomalies will be resolved.
The focus will then turn to finalizing a performance management and evaluation system to improve productivity.
One thing you wouldn't want is for somebody putting out less effort and getting more pay than somebody who puts out more effort. So you need to have a transparent and efficient system that measures effort, measures output. And that is the establishment which we propose. We're working that our timeline is in the next 2 years. We should be able to settle that.
The Prime Minister was speaking at the National Labour Day tree planting project at the PJ Patterson Highway. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.